Father, please help us.
The community was incinerated by the campfire.
Gutted by walls of fire. In some cases, they became tombs for residents trying to escape.
The campfire has become the deadliest wildfire in California history.
Paradise is a town of resilient people, and when we have a tragedy like the campfire, everybody pulls together and helps everyone else. I knew that I wanted to rebuild. I found out that this building was available to buy. Now we're open, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to do that for the community.
I think a lot of people were invested in this community and want to come back and rebuild it and see it thrive and grow.
We left and we came back after 3 months. We got surprised when we found out the business was here. So I decided to cook and do everything we love, and so that helps.
Recovering from the disaster was very unique and different from any other disaster that I've ever heard of. The biggest issue that we had, of course, was housing. The town was closed for over a month. People couldn't get back into town even to look at their properties. The big issue was the debris on the ground. This town and the agencies have all been working together to help find the problems and address them. We've had a lot of help from FEMA, Cal OES, the Butte County, other cities.
This area that we're sitting in was our business.
The rebuild for ourselves we're just kind of getting underway with that now, and my number one priority was to get our town back.
What defines this community is resilience. People are still every day at the counter lining up to get a building permit to rebuild and to get back home.
I learned to be stronger. The house was gone, the cars were gone, but the family is here and we're united and together.
We probably got about 3,000 people living in town now. We want to give them the best experience that we can and make things as normal as we can for them.
The people of Paradise are strong, resilient, and vibrant.
I am tough, I have a lot of faith, and I am happy. The heart wanted to come back to Paradise and rebuild.
I see a new, beautiful town that people can call Paradise again.